Bilibili app issues like crashes, buffering, and errors usually stem from three main causes: app software conflicts, cache problems, and network connectivity issues. Crashes often occur due to memory leaks, compatibility bugs with your device's OS, or hardware limitations. Cache problems arise from corrupted or oversized temporary data, causing freezing or playback errors. Network issues are common because Bilibili's servers are China-based, leading to geo-restrictions, ISP throttling, or poor signal strength, especially for users outside of China. First, ensure you're running the latest app version by updating it via the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. For Android devices, clear the app's cache by going to Settings, then Apps, select Bilibili, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. For iOS devices, navigate to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, select Bilibili, and choose Offload App to clear cache. Next, restart your device to refresh system processes and clear any temporary issues. Check your network stability and consider using a VPN like ExpressVPN to bypass geo-restrictions for reliable access outside of China. If problems continue, reinstall the app and check for conflicting applications like ad blockers. Regularly clearing cache helps prevent future issues.